coming in to execute the trade setups that we found in our last session. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Let me turn that down. All right, so we entered a CAD JPY trade.
No, it didn't.
Let's get back to Aaron. Aaron, what was that question that you hit me with?
Yeah, I was just saying, that AUD JPY. I just want to confirm that. I was looking at the charts. It hadn't hit our TPs yet.
No, it hit TP1.
Okay. It did.
Yeah, so AUD JPY hit TP1 and pulled back to retest the entry.
Okay.
Our stop loss on the terminal is actually above this level. I don't.
Oregano. No, but that stands for oregano. What? Why did you tell me that? Because that's not a seasonal.
So
Okay, now we started doing another recovery.
let's see. Set an alert just in case it breaks above.
I'm just gonna run.
Nice rejection right there.
Because a biscuit was seaweed.
Nice rejection on USD JPY. Is that? Nope, no imbalance. Let's see.
Let's just put a whole entire sushi in there. You can do that, okay? That means there's extra zucchini.
Yeah, so if we can get beneath these lows, probably look into moving these trades into break even.
Wait, no, break it. Not break it. Puts the bag of salt in there. But he didn't put the whole.
Okay, so TP1 was hit right there.
And a small box
On JPY?
Oh,
Or
GBP?
GBP?
Yeah.
Tastes it. It needs some more salt.
And we got, whew, that USD CAD entry was clean.
Hold on, before you pay for yet another app to manage your team, let me introduce you to Connect Team.
How did we do with the seasonings?
I like when we get those entries like that, man. So on USD CAD, the thing that made us take this sale is we noticed this trend line right here. Price respected this trend line beautifully, but we reached the area at the highs. What is that? Your AUD, I'll go check that out. We reached this area at the highs. Price created this double top, and then we broke the trend line. So I waited until price pulled back to retest that area before entering in this sale. When did we send that out, Aaron? What time was that?
The
AUD CAD?
USD CAD. What time?
I think
it was around 10:30.
10:30?
Yeah,
Yeah, it could be wrong.
No.
10:38.
No, 10:01. 10:01. Yeah, so at 10:01 we sent this trade out, and really about an hour, this thing gave us a nice move. Yep, a 53 pip drop after our entry, so that's just beautiful. A little lower, okay. We need to see these lows being broken. Because right here, looking to the left, we got all of these rejections right here. So if price does break beneath that area, that looks really good for us.
Okay.
It's really good for us. So we're just gonna set this alert right here. Set an alert right here on USD JPY and CAD JPY.
She's setting
She's setting a alert for CAD GPI on to do what? To do what?
I just set an alert above the high just in case, so we'll know. So, in understanding that this is our major structural level of resistance right here, if we get a break above this, more than likely it's going to the highs or to give us
a new high.
A new high.
yes, sir. So really no need.
So I'm in that CAD GPY now. Based off of your coordinates. Should I be setting alert as well?
Yeah, you can set the alert right there above that wick on your chart, and the other alerts that I'm going to set will be directly on price itself.
You're gonna send it in the chat?
What, the alerts?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I thought
What do you mean?
I thought that's what you were saying. So set it right above this key level up here.
Yes, sir. So right above that key level, set that alert right there, and pretty much we just let the trade set up run because everything is in profit.
Okay.
I didn't know it was gonna be that loud, Serenity.
Jerome,
I just have.
You just have what?
In the trade locker, how do I set the alert?
You don't need to set it in Trade Locker, but just to show you, you do it the same way. You do it the same way you set a pending order. So in Trade Locker, you go over to the right-hand side next to this vertical tab where you see the price. There's a plus sign. You click that plus sign and you'll see alert, pending, and those different options. From there, you add that alert.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. So Euro AUD just hit our sell limit order.
Euro AD.
Yep. Yeah. So at this stage, this is where we either win or, most traders get in their own way. After you find your trade setups, you're entering in all of them, just find something else to do. So for you, if you want to go ahead and catch that meeting or catch up with something else, that'll be best. I'm going to just go through some of these charts and see what's going on.
Okay.
Yeah, but as far as those trades, we're not messing with them. We got the alerts to let us know if they go against us. We got alerts at every target, so we'll know which ones are hit. We also got our TPs set at those areas, so they'll close automatically. It just let us know where price is.
Right. Okay. Well, that'll work.
All right.
Okay. What time's our next one?
The next, let's see. I'll be on later on tonight.
Yeah, what
Yeah,
time?
what time?
Just checking out some charts. So I'm gonna hop on and monitor these trades, maybe around the same time that we normally go live in the group, about 9.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can hang it up for today. Let these things run.
All
All
right.
right.
See you
I'll
then.
see you then.
All right, Aaron.
Take it easy.
Man, look at that last target hit on Euro Pound. Beautiful trade set up. Let's go.
Win. Yeah.
Oh, I like that. Y'all gonna hear that shit all year. All year.
When I first
Y'all-
heard it,
First heard it, I found something made by accident. I
Oh,
didn't
no.
know that was when you hit a entry or TP.
Yeah. Every time you hear that TP, we hit a TP. I'm playing that. I got smoke
Okay.
machines, disco lights over here. I celebrate. Gotta make
That's
it.
what's up, man. I gotta get me myself like that, man.
Oh yeah, we gotta gamify it. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Gotta
Oh, yeah.
gamify this thing. So the way I try to explain it to people is think of when you were younger. When you were at your happiest state, it was easier for you to create or handle the task in front of you. When we start creating stress and anxiety and things of that nature, it makes you reserved. You'll miss winning trade setups out of fear, or you'll close them too early out of fear. So no matter what the result is, whether you get a lesson in the market or whether you get a winning trade, you have to learn how to celebrate. Because if you lose and you go back to analyze that position and you learn the mistake that you made, then you put yourself in a position to win in the future. So everything that we do needs to be celebrated.
Yes. Whether
Whether it's a lesson or a win.
Yes, sir, whether it's a lesson or a win. Because most people, you know, if they win, oh yeah, I just went up, posting all of their wins and shit. And then when they lose, oh damn, I'm an idiot. Fuck the market, it's a scam. And creating those different approaches to an outcome is going to leave you in a cycle of discomfort. So we got to be graceful with ourselves, and that's what that's teaching you. Teaching you how to be graceful and also giving you practice with implementing your disciplines.
Yeah.
Right after that, the music in the background said, fuck you mean. I just said it. That's cool. Yeah, so Thursday, we're going to see if we can get a rejection right here on Euro Pound. Right here on the 30-minute, there's a high that it broke above that it failed to retest.
Right?
Right here on the, right here.
Oh yeah.
Never retested.
Yep, so we got this structural break right here, and price took off and ran. We want to see it pull back and then move up. So we're gonna wait until price begins to consolidate around this area right here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so right around here. And we want to see what happens from there.
Okay.
So that'll be a page of liquidity graph.
Oh yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I got my video call coming in right now. I'll touch base with you later.
All right, Aaron, be great.
Okay.
Cool. So, all right, y'all, we just let Aaron off. All right, so I go live in here and in the Discord. We started a little earlier with those guys. We got some that are already using our products. Those are a few of our tier 2 members. But we hop on and we still show the trades on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So you guys will still be able to trade with us, even if you aren't a part, just so you can see how to properly execute. You can see the processes that we use and see for yourself that they work. But yeah, so everything that we entered this morning is in profit. At this point, the only thing that we can do is wait. I don't think I'll sit around and stare at these charts so much longer. I got my alerts set up. We got a nice rejection on CAD JPY, nice one on USD JPY. Euro AUD was retesting a sell entry that we got. And right now it's pulling back. Sean, what up, Sean? Euro AUD. Euro AUD just hit our sell limit order.
Okay.
You caught me at you caught it right on time. I was just about to hop off.
Oh wow.
So yeah, oh, it's okay. I figured that with us being up like that during London.
Yeah, I did good. I wasn't feeling well this morning, so that's why I just laid down, eat some soup now.
Yeah.
So you said it was ECAD?
EA.
EA? Oh, okay. That's the one I had been waiting on too.
Yeah. So it just triggered.
Oh yeah,
It just triggered. I put the stop. I put the stop above that high. Most likely, it's not gonna, go above here if this area is legitimate. But that's just being safe.
Okay.
So we entered this at 10:01 in the group. I sent that Euro CAD sale that we talked about in the charting session.
Okay.
That thing went crazy. So pretty much same zone or same trade is EA. As soon as it hit our As soon as it hit our zone, we dropped 53 pips. So we're looking for a similar move right here on EA.
Let me ask you a question.
Talk.
Like if it hits your take profit one, if it hits your take profit one, and then you still have two trades left in, do you let it ride all the way back up to wherever price is gonna go and then turn back? Do you wait for that, or do you just?
So that depends. Let me. I'm glad you asked me that. I'll give you an example on the chart.
Slack is talking by
Hold on 1 second. All right. Let me use pound JPY for example. So the first example will be, I guess, the second scenario. Like, would you let the trade run if it pulls back? Okay, so it depends what's going on structurally. So with this trade setup, I knew we had a lot of rejections right here with this low, and also the consolidation that formed right here. Oh man, we up today. So when I noticed that, if I get a pullback, that's fine. Because of what I saw structurally. So I would let that trade setup run. Now, vice versa, we saw USD JPY last week. We entered in early before price broke structure. Yeah. So we entered in up there. This is the structural level. Price did not break that. So this needs to be protected. And you see what happened. Boom, it spiked above just to give a last minute liquidity grab before doing what we knew it was going to do anyway, which was fall. So the answer to that question is the chart is going to tell you exactly how to respond and when to move your trade setup to break even or when to let your trades run.
Okay. I got you.
Yep. So if we, let's say we got consolidation right here. Price broke above. This is our entry. It drops to retest that, but this isn't broken. It's time to start protecting or potentially closing the other positions. Because everything that we're doing, even though we do have a strategy, it all follows the basic concepts of the market. If prices are moving up, it's creating higher highs and higher lows. If it's moving down, lower highs, lower lows. We enter in at a high. Yep, it comes back to retest the low without breaking it. The probability of this high being broken is high. So we just got to keep those simple things in mind while we're trading these positions, and everything will be fine. Stick to the basics.
Okay. Yeah, it's just some fine tuning I gotta do.
Doc.
That I'm working on.
Oh yeah, you ahead. You ahead.
Awesome. I think I just second guess myself sometimes. Like I said, I was so used to pipping and dipping. I get 10 pips and dip.
Yeah.
Go about my day and trying to. So it's that mindset. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, well, I actually like that we started like that. So when you start off scalping, right, then you understand the fear because you experience it. Then you also see, damn, I got out of this trade really early and this thing dropped another 100 pips. So then you'll understand the purpose of learning swing trades, learning how to enter and hold them. So it's actually, everything works the way it's supposed to. Yeah.
Okay. Now, is it okay if I don't draw those arrows like you draw them where the liquidity is?
What are you going to use to identify it?
Probably like a money sign. I have a dollar sign that I use.
It's the same thing.
Okay.
It's the same thing. So instead of if you don't want to do the arrow,
Sometimes I use a line to let me know.
and you just put the money up there, that's fine. Because the money, that's showing me the same thing. I know right here underneath all of these lows, we got stop losses right here. So the arrow and this is pretty much doing the same thing. So that's fine. You can use one or the other.
Okay. What about you, CAD? You CAD is dropping?
Man, UCAD took a fall. Lovely. So we sent that. Are your notifications on? Did you see this at 10:01?
I didn't.
Make sure you got your notifications on. Oh yes, 10:01. We sent this in the group, and pew. She just dropped.
Okay. I saw it before I laid down, and I didn't. I set the alarm, but I slept right past the alarm.
Mm-hmm.
I try to set it at least 11 when I get up early like that.
Oh, that's fine. Yeah, so we were looking at what time frame was that? Oh, I think it was the 15 minute. We were looking at this. On the 15 minute, there's a double top right here at the highs. We're looking at the possibility of if our sale doesn't hold, that area being retested.
Okay.
Yeah, so yeah, we set an alert. We'll just wait and see from there. But yeah, that'll pretty much be it. We got some big wins. Okay, just let them finish playing out. We'll hop back on this evening. What am I trading? Right now, I'm looking at USD JPY. We looked at AUD JPY. We also just entered Euro CAD for a sale. We're in profit on it. We entered USD CAD for a sale. And I believe that was it, right? I think that's it.
So,
But which one was I just showing you, Doc?
EA.
Yes.
You can.
I was showing you UCAD? Okay. So at UCAD, if it breaks this low, I'm adding another entry. So y'all keep an eye out in that group. Make sure you got all of the notifications on, because in that trade update section, if we get this, I'm selling it again. I'm adding to that position.
Okay. All right. I've got which group is it now?
The channel is the trade updates channel.
Okay, trade updates channel. Okay, I gotta go in there. I think it's muted because I gotta figure out what I'm doing. I'll figure it out. It won't take me long.
Okay.
I'm muted.
Yeah, make sure you got those channels unmuted, so you'll be able to get all of those.
Okay.
I figured it was something like that. I was like, they probably got those notifications muted on accident.
Yep, I do.
It's all good.
But I have it on my phone, so I just gotta unmute everything.
Yeah, so we'll see within the hour. So we got 28 minutes left in this candle. Now, this could very well be what happens here. You see? Price reaches back towards a previous level of structure, creating consolidation underneath it and then drop. So that's why we just got to play every possibility in the market and make sure that we leverage everything properly so we don't shoot ourselves in the foot. And then from there we're good. So you got EA?
I got EA.
Cool. You got all the targets?
I don't have them yet. I just put it in.
Okay.
I'm going in there now and look at the targets.
Okay, I'm gonna put this in the members chart section for you. Dang. And we looked at this. I was like, hey, this thing might hit the 50. It pulled right back to the 50.
Yep.
Come on now. I like when they make me look good like that.
Excuse me. That's nice there.
Now, we still have to monitor that. Just because we got that touch and that gap filled, I monitor that. Let me see what's going on with the news. Yep, Euro, USD, AUD. So pretty much everywhere we are. Definitely looks like we're on the right side. Yeah, so let's just let those run. Give me a second, let me let everybody else offline, and I'll come back, make sure if you got any questions, we get them answered right quick. Okay. Let me mute this over here. So everybody else, man, I appreciate you as always. Thank you for hopping on with us. Let me go to that full screen. All right, so we analyze these trades on Sunday. I record all of these sessions so you guys can have access to them either on my YouTube, on Facebook. You can rewatch those videos. That's where we found the trades. We executed them. Right now, we're up on 4 out of the 5 trades, so big wins, right?
Win, 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 win.
The people that want to start with us, you don't know where to begin, I put together a package for you guys for free. Well, I teach you how to trade. I teach you how to set up your demo account and your live account. So when you see me trading, you'll be able to hop on with me. I also teach you how to monitor your trade setups and leverage properly. So we give you a full trading plan to help you develop discipline within the market. Now to get there, you guys can go to our website, ProfitTakersEU.com, and sign up for the Trading Essentials Bundle. We also give you guys access to the free trial of our Mindset series. This is the glue for the company. So everything that you see me doing live in front of you would not be possible without me developing the proper mindset. You have to understand the power of your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. And to go with this book, we use our our 6-week journal. This helps you become more intentional with those words. We also have books available on Amazon, 6 Steps to Trading with Consistent Results, and a few log books to help you log your trade setups and your mental state while executing. We got merch as well. And to join the company, you can start with our beginner bundle, or you can upgrade to tier 2. You guys remember, you're only one trade away from living. Why fight to stay the same?